Another mistake that I've made was that I've added this name identifier, my claims, to the admin login controller. These must be added in my normal areas controller in the authenticate method. When we log in our application, or if we register, I will call this authenticate, and I will set the name identifier to my claims. Let's go to dishes again. Click here on order now. I will log in with my new user. Login. Okay. Click here on order now. Now the user ID is right. The ID of my user is 4. I'll get my user. And I will get my user order from database. Now the user order is null. So I will create a new order. And I will save the order. Now that I've saved my order, I will get my dish. Yeah, the delicious hamburger. If the dish is null, I would throw an exception. No, my user order does not contain my dish in the dishes list, so I'll add that. Saving the changes. Now I'll get my item count. Here I've got my user order with the dishes. Here I have one dish that I've added, my user that is associated to it, and my item count at the moment is 1. Let's see. Dish added to your order. Here I have a 1. So if I click here on order now, again, dish added to our order. We've updated the number of our orders. We could do this forever. If we click here, it says that the dish was added to our order, but it was not, because we've already have the dish to the order. So let's fix that. So instead of returning just a task, I will return a task with a boolean, and if it contains the dishes, I return false. After saving my dishes, I will return true. Let's go to our order and say, is dish added? Let's first check if is dish added. If is dish added, I'll return this JSON. If dish is not added, this success will be false, and the message will be, you already had this dish in your, or finish it or add new ones. Let's go to the view. Actually, let's go to the JS, order JS. If it's not a success, I will not update the card count. I'll just say toaster error with the response message. Let's go to our dishes, and you can see that we have another small bug, but I will fix that in the next lecture. Click here on order now. Is dish added is false because we did not add a new one, and we will return this message. You've already had this dish in your order. Finish it or add new ones. If I click here to add this pasta, is dish added true because we haven't added this digit before. Dish added to our order, and here we have four dishes. The small bug that I was talking to you is about this. If we reload our application, we have 0 here because we don't get the dishes count when we start our application. We will just get our dishes count if we click here on order now. Let's fix that in the next lecture. See you again.